learned to take delight in getting in somebody's hand. You always had the knack, fade to black. Bet you already made a pass. I see a darkened room somewhere. You run your finger around the rim of his glass, run your fingers through his hair, they scratch across his back, fade to black. Well, maybe it's all for the best, but I wish I'd never been lassoed. And maybe it's some kind of test. I wish I'd never been touched.